Hey, it's Madison. Let's install the crab crawl. Before starting, I made sure to mop the floor and Lysol the wall so the images can adhere properly. I'll start by cutting some of the pieces apart. Let's begin by placing the piece of sand centered to the wall. I'll use 2 pieces of tape on both sides of the sand to hold it in place. Then I'll peel back a section to expose the backing and trim that portion away. Once the backing is removed, I'll press the exposed part of the sand firmly onto the floor. At this point, I can remove the tape and lift the sand to peel off the section of my backing. In my left hand, I'll hold the backing, and in my right hand, I'll use a squeegee in a smooth wave-like motion to press part of the image down. Once that's complete, I can remove the transfer tape. Now I can place almost everything else by simply removing the backing and using my squeegee to guide it into place. It's best to apply the coral and seaweed first. Pro tip, if you're installing on a brick wall, use a hairdryer and a squeegee after placing the images. The heat helps the adhesive conform to the texture, ensuring a stronger bond. Thanks for watching!